So, Krishna is never diminished. There is a little story, very interesting. So, one poor boy, he was a student in his school, and the teacher's annual ceremony of father's death would be held. So he requested all his students what he will give me contribution. Formally the teacher was not taking any salary. But whatever he wanted, the students will bring either from parents' house or by begging. That was the system. The teacher would not charge anything. And Brahmana cannot be charge anything. Generally the Brahmanas were teachers. That is one of the profession of the Brahmana. Everyone must have livelihood. The Brahmana livelihood is pathon pathon. He must become, say, learned scholar, and he'll make others also learned scholar. That is Brahmana. Pathon pathon jajana jajana dana pratigraha satkarma. 6 kinds of profession for the Brahmanas. And Kshatriya's profession is to give protection to the citizen and maybe some tax. 25%, not more than that. Whatever is income yours, give 25% to the Kshatriya king. That's all. That includes sales tax, this tax, that tax, so many tax. Income tax, all finished. You give 25%. And if you have no income, no tax. Not like that. Even if you have no income, now last year you gave so much tax, you must give it. Otherwise your property is sold. Not like that. So that is Kshatriya's income. Similarly, Vaishnava's income, Krishi Goraksha Varijam, agriculture, cow protection. And if there is excess foodstuff, then he can sell, make claim. And Shudra, they will simply help. So this teacher, the original story, the teacher asked the student, what? Somebody said, I'll contribute this cloth, somebody said rice, somebody said something. Now there was one poor student. He had no means, he was very poor. So when he was asked, so he replied that I cannot say anything without asking my mother. All right, you ask your mother and tell me tomorrow. So he asked, my dear mother, all my class friend has promised the teacher to contribute this, that. So my turn is there, what shall I promise? My mother said, my dear son, now we are so poor, we cannot give anything. But if Krishna gives, he is Dina bandhu, the friend of the poor. So if he gives something to you, you can promise. Oh, where is Krishna? What is his name? Now his name is Dina bandhu, friend of the poor. Where is? Now I understand that he is in the forest. So he went to the forest and called, Dina bandhu, brother, Dina bandhu, brother. Where is he? He began to cry. So Krishna came. When a devotee is very much eager to see him, Krishna comes. He very kind. So why you are asking? My mother, you are Dina bandhu. So this is my condition, sir. What can I promise? So he says that you promise that you will supply jugat, dahi. You will supply dahi. So he was very much satisfied, and he came to the teacher that my Dina bandhu brother, dada, he will supply dahi or jugat for whatever is required. Oh, that's nice, very good. So on the day of ceremony, say, he went to the forest again and called Dina bandhu dada, and he gave him a small pot of dahi, Juga, a small pot. He was a child, he did not know. And he brought it to the teacher. Now, this is my contribution. My Dinabandhu brother has given, so you take. There are hundreds and thousands of people will be giving foodstuff and this much dahi. He became very angry. He became angry, he did not care, and the pot fell down, and the sugar also fell down. But after some time, when he came, he saw that although the sugar has fallen down, the pot is full. Then he again dropped it, again it is full. He dropped it, again it is full. Then he could understand that he is spiritual. Purnasya purnamadaya purnameva avashishya. You take the whole thing, it is the whole thing. That is Krishna. Not that because you have taken something, 1 minus 1 equal to 0. No. In the spiritual world, 1 minus 1 equal to 1. And 1 plus 1 equal to 1. That is called Advaita. There is no duality. Plus and minus, they are two things. But in the spiritual world, either plus or minus, the same. That is to be understood. That is called absolute, Advaita.